So our first presentation is in the novice division. For those of you in the back in our tech crew, this is N01. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that a lot because they told me to just kind of tell them what CE to play so that we don't have, the wrong audio. Raise your hand if you've been in a skit and that's ever happened to you. Anyone? Yeah, I'm seeing hands. Yeah. We're trying to avoid that this year. Presentation number 1. While trying to escape to his hideout, Hiccup somehow ends up at the Gaylord during Katsucon, with Astrid following close behind. This is presentation number 1.
Alright, buddy. Astrid's on to us. We're leaving. For a very long time. Like forever. This isn't our hideout.
There you are. Hiccup, what are you? Where are we?
Astrid? What are you? Why are you? Do you know where we are?
No.
Oh. Konnichiwa! I'm Kawaii Sailor Katsucon. And you must be Fury of the Night 97. No? Great!
What's going on?
You mean you don't know where you are?
No.
You're at Katsucon! Why are you so loud and crazy? Everyone is loud and crazy at Katsucon! Well, you're just going to need a crash course. Huh? Of course. All right. Those are cosplayers. They're the norm at conventions.
Is that a man?
Hi.
What's he wearing?
Sailor Moon cosplay. Do you think I could do this? Maybe. You would need to be a little less this. You just gestured to all of me. Hi.
Oh no. No. Hiccup, stop getting ideas. We are going home. Somehow. We are leaving this strange and crazy place, so... Oh, that's a nice axe.
Astrid?
What? Oh, okay. Bad Astrid. Home.
Aw, you can't leave. You haven't even started your adventures at Katsu.
No more crazy sailor lady. We are going home.
Oh, but Astrid, are you sure?
Yes, home. We are going home.
Well, wait! I have Pocket!
That was weird.
They're still here, you know.
At least Sailor Crazy is gone.
Yeah, but we're still here.
All right. Now we need to figure out how...
Astrid?
Odin's beard. Is that a dragon?
Alrighty, that was Sammy, Rachel, and Jean, and that was presented in real 3D. Well, I used to work for Samsung. Tech jokes are funny to me. Alright.